G'day guys, today I'm going to show you 3 activities with Pom Poms that'll keep your toddler entertained, and they're so easy and quick to set up.
First one is the Pom Pom Drop. So you're going to need toilet paper or paper towel rolls, pom poms, painter's tape and a container to catch it in. After I've demonstrated to Sophie, she's keen to join in. Now because there's pom poms, all these activities require adult supervision.
Yuck, not in your mouth.
This activity is fantastic for working on the pincer grip, which is so important later on for using a pencil and scissors, as you can see right here.
Well done!
A more advanced activity is this stem activity where you put the toilet paper rolls at angles so that the pom-poms go at angles into the container below. The second activity is the Oball push. You'll need an Oball and 4 or 5 pom-poms. I took this activity in Mum's group, and one of the boys, he actually pushed the pom-poms in and then pulled them out. Sophie doesn't tend to do that. She pushes them in and then leaves. When I've pulled them out again, she'll come back to the activity and continue on with it. The Oball has so many holes that Sophie doesn't always watch what she's doing. She just pushes until it goes in. But hey, if you don't have an Oball, just use a recycled bottle. The last activity is also a pom-pom push, but it requires more precision. I'm using an ice cream container because I like the height of it, stabbing some holes in it with the scissors and then cutting out circles that are just smaller than the pom-poms I'm going to use. I then sat it in front of Sophie and she began pushing in the pom-poms. When she first started this activity, she was just pushing. She wasn't actually over a hole, but she quickly learnt that you had to be over a hole. Awesome activity, especially when you just need 5 minutes to get dinner sorted.
If you want to see more toddler activities, I've got a playlist here. Check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.